I actually tried to start already on the Fate and Punk script, but the first scene is very hard to film, and I knew that, and I thought I would be able to just skip over it, just write it down and figure it out later, but I couldn't turn off my overthinking brain to skip it over. So I put away everything and just wrote the location and just set up everything for writing out, like in the previous video I showed on the other book. And I think I found a solution. They meet at the werewolf is walking over like on the railings of a bridge, which is not safe to film, and worst of all, he's being pushed off of it. So I talked to the author and she just said, oh, you can skip it over, but like it's such a cinematic scene, like it would be a shame to skip over it. So the solution I came up with so far was that I will have to build a green screen set. So like build a bridge, or more accurately, ask nicely my husband to build me a bridge, like part of it. So we can record all the acrobatics on that with a crashing mat under, which we have. Good thing about having a martial artist as a husband. We do have crashing mats, so we can provide the safety in this way. So like I would have to just figure out like how to build a section of the bridge and paint it with the green screen paint, and I think that will work, and then match it with real location. So now that I know how this will work out, I'm able to move on. So now I'm going over to the character list. And in this one I will be adding descriptions alongside with the character list, not inside the script. In the previous one I didn't add the descriptions at all. I will have to fish them out later, because like usually the descriptions in the book don't happen in the first paragraph, and I would have to put them in the first paragraph in the script. But this way I can just go along with the book, and when there's the description I can add to the So I just added the green screen set here. I think crutch will be his wardrobe, not prop really. So I'm over the hardest part, like he got himself back on the bridge. So now it's just talking. So that part will be very easy. And yes, there's the dialogue, and then next scene. So I will just finish the scene now.